Lee Health nurse practitioner Bobbi Marino says there are plenty of reasons why people should quit smoking.
Smoking is 80% of the cause for lung cancer. So not only is it to reduce your risk for cancer, but it's also help you breathe better, give you your energy.
But quitting can be difficult. So when a patient says they're ready to quit, she refers them to the Everglades Area Health Education Center for their smoking cessation resources.
As part of the program, individuals can receive free patches, gum, or lozenges, and they get up to 4 weeks worth of patches for free.
Eliseo Rangel is the regional program manager. It's a part of Tobacco Free Florida. In addition to nicotine replacement therapies, they offer free classes and sessions to help people quit.
That's why it's important for individuals to participate in the program, to offer them the tools, because it's not just about the physical component of the addiction, it's also the psychological, the emotional.
If referred through Lee Health, the medical team will also get a report so they can track your progress.
Next time when they see a doctor or the nurse or a practitioner, they can actually follow up and say, okay, I see you went to the program, how's that going? So it makes it very personable.
Providing the support so you can quit and improve your quality of life. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.